Hello everyone, in this video let's have a look at the Samsung Level U Bluetooth wireless headset. I ordered this from Flipkart at 2500 rupees. So let's have a look at what the MRP is. The MRP here written is 3000 rupees and this is the latest model, as the manufacturing date on this device is March 2018. And this is probably a recent device, so let's jump right in. And as you can see here, it's suiting a flexible build, so let's open it up. So in the box you find a quick start guide and obviously a headset, and they have given us 3 tips here, probably small, medium and large sizes. So they have given us 3 tips here, probably in small, large and medium sizes. So let's take this out. So as you can see here, they magnetically touch with each other. And having a look at this frame, there's a USB port here. Let's find out if it's, yeah, as you can see here, it is a micro USB port. It's not a USB type C port, so that's a little disappointing. So if you're having USB-C device, you'll probably need to carry a micro USB charger as well. And as you can see here, this part is quite flexible, and there is an on and off button here, and there are a few buttons here. This is the power up, volume down, and the other button. This device also comes with a mic. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel to watch the full review of this device. Thank you and have a nice day.